Hello students, how are you? All of you will be fine. Today I am going to explain fourth chapter of your book. Title is The Nawab of Salimabad. It is a very interesting play. Do you know? It is natak, drama, a short play. There are some characters. Let us start. Storyteller, farmer, the Nawab of Salimabad, farmer's wife, the wazir, palace servant, moneylender, सलीम, हामिद एंड इरफान. कैरेक्टर का मतलब वो लोग जो इस ड्रामा में या इस एक्ट में पार्ट कर रहे हैं यानी एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. एक्ट 1 सीन 1 स्टोरी टेलर. Long ago, the Nawab of Salimabad ruled over a large kingdom. The Nawab was a very great man and a good ruler. He treated all his subjects well. Here subject means praja, log. ठीक है. He had a palace, a fine army and 2 regiments of cavalry. Cavalry means वो आर्मी जिसमें घुड़सवार होते हैं, राइडर्स. ठीक है. द राइडर्स एंड हॉर्सेस इन हिज कैवलरी रेजिमेंट वर द बेस्ट दैट कुड बी फाउंड इन हिज किंगडम. ही वॉज प्राउड ऑफ देम. One day the Nawab was sitting in his darbar hall. Nawab, Wazir Sahib, I think that all the people in my kingdom are well and happy. वज़ीर से मतलब मिनिस्टर. ठीक है. वज़ीर उर्दू वर्ड है. मिनिस्टर मीन्स मंत्री, वही चीज़ है. इंडीड का मतलब रियली. इंडीड दे आर सर. नवाब, बट सम ऑफ देम आर वेरी पुअर. वज़ीर, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ट्रू सर. Nawab, how can I tell whether those people who are poor are also happy? Wazir, you cannot, sir. Nawab, I shall try. I shall disguise myself as a traveler and journey throughout the length and breadth of my kingdom. I shall see whether people are happy or not. Here, this word, disguise. Disguise का मतलब होता है भेष बदलना, false appearance of anyone. ठीक है. मतलब राजा नवाब ने ये सोचा कि वो डिस्गाइज करके यानी भेष बदल कर अपने राज्य में घूमेंगे और अपनी प्रजा के सुख और दुख का पता लगाएंगे. एक्ट 1 सीन 2 स्टोरी टेलर. द नेक्स्ट डे द नवाब ड्रेस्ड हिमसेल्फ इन द रोब्स ऑफ अ ट्रेवलर विद अ वॉर्न क्लोक. क्लोक मीन्स अ लॉन्ग कोट. ओवर हिज शोल्डर and a bundle on his back. He walked out of the palace and traveled through his kingdom. For many months, he found that some people were good while some were bad. Some were happy while some were unhappy. Some were rich and while some were poor. One evening, he reached a small house. The sky was heavy with clouds. His old cloak was soaked with rain. He knocked at the door. Farmer, who's there? Nawab, I am a traveler. May I come in and get dry? It is wet and cold out here. Farmer's wife, come in, dear sir. Farmer, what terrible weather this is. Terrible means awful, means डरावना. Nawab, indeed, thank you for letting me step inside. Farmer's wife, you are wet though. Come, take off your cloak and sit down by the fire. I am just cooking our supper and you can share it. Supper means evening food, यानी रात का खाना. Nawab, how kind you are. Farmer, we are poor farmers, but at least we can allow you to get warm. Farmer's wife, are you hungry? I can give you some rotis and some onions. if you like. Nawab, thank you. I could do with a little food. Storyteller. The farmer's wife served the Nawab and he ate with great enjoyment. Nawab. That's the best meal I have had for a week. But tell me, why are you so poor? Have you no children to help you? Farmer's wife. Well, sir, we have 3 sons, but they are all serving in the Nawab's army, and we are alone. Farmer. We grow a little wheat and onions on our strip of land and manage somehow. Nawab. Do your sons ever write to you? एवर राइट हेयर लेटर से है, मतलब कि क्या उन्होंने कभी तुम्हें कोई लेटर सेंड किया है तुम्हारी हाल खैरियत या हाल चाल जानने के लिए? दैन फार्मर. नो, दे कैन नॉट राइट और वी कैन नॉट रीड. फार्मर्स वाइफ. एंड वेयर दे आर? वी डू नॉट नो. दे ऑल सर्व इन द कैवलरी. नवाब. हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग. And what are their names? Farmer's wife. Salim, Hamid and Irfan. Farmer. And they all ride the Nawab's fine horses. Nawab. Are you not angry with the Nawab? Because he takes away your sons for so many years? Farmer's wife. No, no. The Nawab is great and good. We are proud that they serve him. Nawab. Well, thank you for my dinner. Your onions are the best I have ever tasted. Now I must start on my travels again. Farmer's wife. No, sir. You must sleep here. You cannot go out in this awful rain. Farmer. Make yourself comfortable by the fire and cover yourself with this old blanket. Nawab. How kind you are. Storyteller. The Nawab slept well. In the morning, the old woman gave him some breakfast. The Nawab then went on his way and finally returned to his palace. Act 2 Scene 1. अभी फर्स्ट एक्ट चल रहा था, उसमें 2 सीन थे. अभी एक्ट 2 and now it contain only 1 scene. Storyteller. After some month, the Nawab called for the commander of the cavalry and told him to bring Salim, Hamid and Irfan before him. Nawab. When I was on my travels, I visited your parents. They are getting old and need some help. Would you like to leave my service and go home to your village? Hamid. We should indeed, sir. Salim. We have not seen our parents for 10 years. Irfan. But we are proud to have served in your cavalry. Nawab. Thank you for your service. Now you are free to go. Take this box of gold mohurs. Gold mohurs means coin, gold coin, to your parents as a present, and thank your mother for feeding me. Her onions are the finest in the kingdom. Storyteller. The 3 sons returned to their home. They were very happy. Their parents were overjoyed to see him after a long time. Their sons would be able to help them on the land, and they had plenty of money now. So, student, I think all of you will have read this drama, and all the written work, just as word meaning, make sentences, question answer, which I have sent in PDF through WhatsApp. You have to do that work in your fair copy, and all the exercises which is given in book These are the solved exercises. Okay, I have sent these exercises and chapter in PDF. You have read this and learned for your exam. Okay.